Good day everyone, my name is Almansur Kamama Ibrahim and today I will be reporting about operating system basics. This topic is part of our subject, Introduction to Computing. The operating system is one of the most important components of a computer because without it, a computer cannot function properly. In this presentation, I will explain what an operating system it is, main function, example, and why it is important. An operating system, also known as OS, is a type of system software that manages both the hardware and software resources of a computer. It acts as an interface or bridge between the user and computer hardware. This means that users do not directly communicate with the hardware, instead they interact with the operating system and the operating system communicate with the hardware for them. Example of tasks handled by the operating system include opening applications, saving files, and controlling input and output devices. Main function of an operating system. The operating system has several important functions that help the computer work efficiently. These functions include process management, memory management, file management, device management, and providing a user interface. Each of these functions play a vital role in making sure that the computer runs smoothly and that user can perform tasks without problems. Process management. Process management refers to how the operating system handles different programs that are running on the computer. When you when you open multiple applications at the same time, such as browser, music player, and document editor, the operating system makes sure that each program gets enough CPU time to run properly. This is known as multitasking and it allows user to use more than one program at the same time without crashing the system. So, memory management. Memory management is another important function of the operating system. The operating system controls how the computer's RAM is used. It allocates memory to program when they are running and frees the memory when the program are closed. This function also prevents memory conflict, which happen when two programs try to use the same memory space at the same time. Because of memory management, programs can run safely and efficiently. File management. Organize files and folders, stores and retrieves data, controls files access. So, file management allows the operating system to organize data into files and folders. It helps user store, retrieve, rename, delete, and protect files. The operating system also controls who can access certain files and ensures that data is stored properly on storage devices such as hard devices, drives, or solid state drives. Without files management, and I will be very difficult to find and manage our data. User interface, graphical user interface GUI, command line interface CLI. So the user interface is the part of the operating system that allows user to interact with the computer. These are two common types of user interface. The first is the graphical user interface of GUI, which uses icons when Windows and Minus, an example of the Microsoft Windows. The second is the command line interface of CLI, where user types command using a keyboard. This is commonly used by programmers and system administrators. Examples of operating system. So number 1, Microsoft Windows. Number 2 is Mac OS. Number 3 is Linux. Number 4 is Android. Number 5 is iOS. So there are many types of operating system used on different devices. Examples include Microsoft Windows, which is commonly used on a personal computer, Mac OS, which is used on an Apple computer, and Linux, which is popular among programmers and servers. For mobile devices, examples include Android and iOS, which are used on smartphones and tablets. Importance of operating system: makes computers usable, manage resources efficiently, enables application to run. The operating system is very important because it makes computer usable. It manages system resources, allows application to run, and provides a way for user to interact with the computer. Without an operating system, users will not be able to run programs, save files, or even use basic computer functions. So OS, the heart of the computer system, essential for user and application. In conclusion, the operating system is the heart of the computer system. It manages hardware and software resources, provides a user interface, and ensures the application run efficiently. Understanding the basics of operating system is important, especially for computer science student, because it helps us understand how computer work internally. Thank you for listening.